Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic artificial intelligence. So let's get started. In 2011, which IBM AI system famously defeated champions Ken Jennings and Brad Rutter on the game show Jeopardy? The correct answer is option A, Watson. Which 2012 event is widely considered the Big Bang of modern deep learning, whereas CNN significantly outperformed others in the ImageNet challenge? The correct answer is option B, the success of AlexNet. Who is credited with coining the term artificial intelligence in his 1955 proposal for the Dartmouth Summer Research Project? The correct answer is option C, John McCarthy. The expert system Mycin, developed at Stanford in the 1970s, was designed to perform which specific task? The correct answer is option D, identifying blood infections and recommending antibiotics. In 2016, DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated which world-class Go player in a historic 5-game match? The correct answer is option A, Lee Sedol. The 1986 paper, Learning Representations by Backpropagating Errors, is famous for popularizing the backpropagation algorithm. Who is the lead author? The correct answer is option B, David Rumelhart. What was the primary conclusion of the 1973 Lighthill Report in the United Kingdom? The correct answer is option C, AI research had failed to live up to its grandiose objectives. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue became the first computer to defeat a reigning world chess champion in a match. Who is the champion? The correct answer is option D, Garry Kasparov. Generative adversarial networks, GNs, were first introduced in a 2014 paper by which researcher? The correct answer is option A, Ian Goodfellow. Developed at SRI International between 1966 and 1972, what was the name of the first general-purpose mobile robot to reason about its actions? The correct answer is option B, Shaky. The logic theorist, often cited as the first AI program, was presented at the Dartmouth Workshop by which duo? The correct answer is option C, Newell and Simon. In 1958, Frank Rosenblatt introduced which early neural network device that could learn to classify images? The correct answer is option D, the perceptron. Joseph Weizenbaum created which natural language conversation program in the mid-1960s that simulated a Rogerian psychotherapist? The correct answer is option A, ELIZA. Arthur Samuel, a pioneer in AI, coined the term machine learning in 1959 while working on a program to play which game? The correct answer is option B, checkers. Which autonomous vehicle, developed by Stanford University, won the 2005 DARPA Grand Challenge? The correct answer is option C, Stanley. The 2015 Residual Learning ResNet architecture allowed for training of extremely deep networks. Who is the lead researcher behind this? The correct answer is option D, Kaiming He. The Attention is All You Need paper, 2017, introduced which architecture that revolutionized NLP and led to the development of GPT models? The correct answer is option A, Transformer. In what year did OpenAI release GPT-3, significantly advancing the capabilities of large language models? The correct answer is option B, 2020. The Psych project, started by Douglas Lenat in 1984, aimed to assemble a comprehensive ontology and knowledge base of what? The correct answer is option C, everyday common sense knowledge. Which country launched the fifth-generation computer systems project in 1982, sparking fears of AI dominance in the West? The correct answer is option D, Japan. What was the title of Alan Turing's seminal 1950 paper in which he proposed the imitation game? The correct answer is option A, Computing Machinery and Intelligence. Which 1970s chatbot was designed to simulate a person with paranoid schizophrenia, later meeting Eliza in a famous computer dialogue? The correct answer is option B, Perry. Jan LeCun is famous for developing LeNet 5 in the late 1980s, which was primarily used by the U.S. Postal Service for what? The correct answer is option C, reading handwritten zip codes. Hans Moravec and others at Stanford worked on which project in the 1970s that was one of the first autonomous land vehicles? The correct answer is option D, the Stanford cart. In 1943, Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts published a paper describing what fundamental concept in AI history? The correct answer is option A, mathematical model of a biological neuron. The first AI winter in the mid-1970s was largely triggered by the publication of which book that criticized the limitations of simple perceptrons? The correct answer is option B, perceptrons. Who is the Stanford professor who founded the ImageNet project, providing the massive dataset needed for the deep learning revolution? The correct answer is option C, Fei Fei. In 2014, Google acquired which London-based AI startup for approximately $500 million, which later created AlphaGo? The correct answer is option D, DeepMind. In 2013, Tomas Mikolov and his team at Google released which tool that allowed for efficient computation of word vector representations? The correct answer is option A, Word2Vec. Edward Feigenbaum is often called the father of expert systems for his work on Dendrel and for coining which term? The correct answer is option B, knowledge engineering. Thank you for watching.